Hi, I'm Chef Sean.
And I'm Chef Andy, and we're back with another tag team.
Today on the MercoMax. We're going to talk a little bit about the MercoMax. Today we're simulating a double-sided line that we can work with this unit. Okay, so Chef Andy can take stuff out of the back of the unit, and I can take stuff out of the front of the unit. Not just for QSR, also for restaurants. Very versatile piece of equipment, very intuitive screen. Okay, customers and end users. It's actually just showing the display so you can get proper rotation of your product. So the timer bar is activated on each one. All right, lets you know what product needs to be used first, allowing better rotation of product and less food waste. Okay, Chef Andy is making a dish back there right now, and he's gonna bring it up to the front. A little bao buns that have been steamed, and some very crispy pork belly.
And now Chef Sean here is going to make some chicken waffles. We have here on the MercoMax is going to keep your crispy food crispy and your moist food moist. What we do with that is we use tray seals for the moist food. So with the bao buns, see we have our tray seal. These have been holding for an hour and 5 minutes. Nice and soft, hot, ready to roll. And without the tray seal, we have a trivet. We're saying all that's on the screen. With the crispy food, it's going to keep the crispy food crispy. So what we actually have is forced hot air circulating around the food to make sure it stays crispy. Crispy pork belly buns.
Hot and spicy chicken and waffles.
Held in our MercoMax. For more information, visit mercoproducts.com or contact your local food service rep today.